breaking news out of a New York City courtroom right now. President-elect Donald Trump is being sentenced in his hush money conviction just 10 days before he is set to return to the White House. The unprecedented ruling follows a 5-4 decision by the Supreme Court to deny Trump's last-minute appeal last night. CNN's Laura Coates is outside the New York court. Laura, walk us through where things stand right now. A lot of things happening at this very moment.
Well, we may not have been here, but for the Supreme Court last night deciding in a 5-4 decision, a very tight ruling where Chief Justice John Roberts and Justice Amy Coney Barrett joined with the so-called liberal justices to say that this could go forward. We knew from the judge it was unlikely that this is going to be a jail imposition or a probation period or a fine. The judge has now had an opportunity to review a probation report written in connection with interviews from the president-elect and the probation officer, who said during the report that it seemed that Trump believed he was, quote, above the law. Meanwhile, Donald Trump, the president-elect, soon to be president in just 10 days, is arguing that the indictment itself should never have been brought. The Manhattan DA, Alvin Bragg, was wrong to bring this, and that, in fact, the American people, according to Todd Blanche, who will be number 2 at the DOJ following his inauguration, has believed that the American people did not want a case like this to be brought under a category of lawfare. The judge, Judge Merchan, has said, which is the understatement of a lifetime, this has been a truly extraordinary case. Indeed, it has been. We have never seen a time when an American president, former, of course, or president-elect, has been convicted of felony counts, this to the tune of 34. Now, it is a Class E felony in the state of New York, which normally does not necessarily bring a jail time. It's not universally accepted as that, but it doesn't always have jail time. But the idea of no probation, no fine is directly connected from the decision of the judge, it seemed, and we're waiting to hear that final point. This is a president-elect who has argued that he would be unable to fully govern if he were to have certain contingencies or conditions above him. He does note, the judge said, it is the office of the presidency that is extraordinary, not the occupant of the office. But again,
Trump, man, just got sentenced in the hush money case. Pretty much, he's an official convicted felon now. You know, before we was just, you know what I'm saying, teasing it. He's a convicted felon. He's been charged with all these felons. But now you can say that he's truly convicted. Even though the sentence was nothing. No jail time, no probation. Because he's finna be the fucking president, of course. And shit, what can you do about it? But, you know, that's why I feel like they should have just went on and told the American people off the rip. As soon as he won president, as soon as they knew he was going to be president, hey, don't worry about none of these cases no more. As simple as that, because y'all knew y'all wasn't going to do it, bro. Y'all barely wanted to do it in his 4 years because how strong that nigga base is. I feel like if this was a nobody, bro, this wasn't a Donald Trump, man. Any other politician, they getting rid of this nigga, man. I don't give a damn how long he been in office. None of that shit, bro. Because this is very unprecedented. You know what I'm saying? This shit has not happened before, man. Ever. Like, the shit that Donald Trump has done while in office, while campaigning to be president, is so unprecedented, man. Bro, he making Nixon look like a very great guy at this point, man. Like, damn, dog. What y'all think about this, man? The hush money case, man. Sentencing is in, bro. He was found guilty. He was pretty much penalized with nothing. You know what I'm saying? And life moves on after that, man. Shit, Donald Trump, you know what I'm saying? Regardless of being found guilty, no jail time, no probation time.